Hello and welcome back to the nursery. It's been a fantastic week weather-wise. The sun has been splitting the stones quite literally. It's actually quite warm for the time of the year. Behind me we have a couple of plants that I intend to go on the road with come Monday. So we'll take a quick run through them, and we have some really nice Eucharist which are still on special on the list. So we've got some lovely caramel and some lovely Shanghai, and those two colours just work fantastically together. And those of course are evergreen, so very important to look at the evergreen portion of the list at this time of the year. We also have some really nice euphorbias. So we've got this Wolfnei, and we also have the purple purpurea available on the list. So again, available as the nice and easy brands, so you can see those. Some lovely cordylines for this time of the year. So we've got this lovely Torbe Dazzler, and it's absolutely, the foliage is fantastic on it, and the striking colour. So just keep that in mind as well. Ideal for planters or window boxes or the likes. If you run along here, we've got some lovely lobelia. So this is the Starship Rose. So you can see fantastic pink flower on top of that sort of green purple foliage. So that looks really attractive. Also, a plant that we've on special this week on our list would be the Astrantia. So this one is Florence. So you can see that the lovely colour is a really nice pale pink, kind of white underneath. So that's a really attractive plant as well. Still some lovely Perovskia. So we have the likes of this little spire available. So again, lovely scent off this Russian sage. So just do keep that in mind. And again, very popular with wildlife. Bees and butterflies and the like, so that's another good one to keep in mind. Ferns, some lovely evergreens we just picked out, the likes of this Diopterus erythrosa, and we've got some lovely Diopterus the king. So you can see the difference in foliage. Erythrosa has this lovely bronze foliage on the new fronds, and the king has this sort of separation piece at the end of each of these little bits of fronds. So they're really attractive and really good plants to have on your benches at the moment. Some grasses as well, just picked some a little bit different. I suppose this is the Milium effusum aurea, so you can see that lovely orange foliage. And then we have some lovely ever popular steeper ponytails. So again, another really good steeper to have on your benches. Again, evergreen, so will last throughout the winter months. Something maybe slightly more unusual, picked out a Ligularia. So this is the rocket, so you can see that has that lovely yellow flower spike, and also picked out the blue Himalayan poppy, the Mechanopsis. So this one is Batana, and you can see that lovely really fine hairs on the foliage. So they're really attractive and quite unusual, to put into your unusual portion of your benches. Some geranium. So Roseanne is always popular, so you can see that it's fairly reasonable full plant, so no flowers at the moment, but always very popular, and does very well in terms of sales. And then I've also a nice selection of Echinacea still available. So the one I have here is White Meditation, and it has that really strong, sturdy sort of center cone in the middle, and I think they're absolutely fantastic garden plant. So this is the white, a couple of different colors available on the list, so do check it out. And then I'll finish up on, I just noticed I forgot to speak about the Walker's Low. Again, very popular plant, so keep that in mind when you're ordering. Good shelf filler, so never go wrong with Nepeta. So that's Walker's Low there. So thank you very much for taking the time just to have a quick run through a few plants. Luckily or hopefully I will see you Monday. Thank you very much.